123 let's touch the sky. Three little numbers easy to say. Come with me, we'll play today. Ichi, ni, san, I count with my hand. Ichi, ni, san, I now understand. Step by step we go so far. Ichi, ni, san, here we are. One apple, two shoes, three bright stars. Learning Japanese can take us far. With every count our voices rise. Ichi, ni, san, big surprise. Three little numbers easy to say. Come with me, we'll play today. Ichi, ni, san, I clap and I cheer. Ichi, ni, san, the meaning is clear. Step by step we go so far. Ichi, ni, san, here we are. Ichi, 1, ni, 2, 3, 4, 4, go 5. Counting on my fingers, let me try. Look, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. Now again from the top. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。数を数えましょう。一緒に練習しましょう。一番好きな数字は何ですか？僕は5が好きです。なぜ？5は真ん中だからです。でも9もかっこいい。10はパーフェクトな数です。日本語で数えるのは楽しいね。毎日練習したらすぐに上手になれますよ。Three little numbers, say them loud. 1、2、3 let's make us proud. 1、2